Okay. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Today's video is going to be unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing this blender, okay? This mini blender that my son gifted me on my birthday, as you can see. I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. Okay? Let's see. Okay, first thing you see is this one. Okay, there's nothing here. This is trash. Keep it there. Okay, it's a mini blender. You use to chop your vegetable. There's the cover. How do you take this one out? Okay, just unscrew. And this is the blade. Come with this, and this one is the plug. That's it, guys. Very good. It's portable. Like if you want to blend a little pepper, you want just to chop a little pepper, you don't want it smooth, you can use this. Okay, then how do you do this? Okay, cover it like this. To open it, do it this way and this way. Okay, I'll try it out right now. Let me try it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have my bell pepper, onions, and habanero pepper in here. Let's try it, guys. Let's try it. Okay. Okay, wow, I like it. See it, guys? It's not that, wow, it's nice. I like it. It's not that bland. If you want it to be sharp, I like it. This is awesome. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys for unboxing with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Please thumbs up the video, guys. Thank you, Eddie, for this present. Bye everyone.